I will be starting a series where I review switches I try. The first of these is the tried and true Gateron Yellow, which has been a popular budget linear for some time now. The version I'm reviewing is the KS9, which features a clear PC top housing, white nylon bottom housing, steel spring, and palm stem. The switch actuates at 50 grams with a 63.5 gram bottom mount, which puts it right in between reds and blacks. The switch comes in various specs, such as clear top, milky, and full nylon, which I unfortunately haven't tried. I will be testing all of these switches in my Chillkey ND75. And with all the keycaps mounted, here's what they sound like.